tape for holding the shape of the shoulder seams, finishing the French seams, and hemming the bottom edge. Cut tapes for the right and left shoulder seams in accordance with the traced pattern. Attach the tape no more than a half centimeter from the edge of the shoulder seams. Sew the tapes towards the shoulder seams and cut the seam allowance along the tape as shown. Iron the seams and turn face against face. Sew the shoulder seams with a half centimeter's distance from the edge, covering the shape-keeping tape inside. Iron the side seams, turn face against face, pin and sew covering the raw seam. The finish of the bottom hemline. Make a double turn up of the hem seam. As you can see, it can be challenging because the fabric curves, so place the fabric in your hands with a light hand and don't stretch or anything, just very gentle, and maybe also go a distance apart where you can see, okay, this is approximately where I should do the folding. I shouldn't stretch it out because then I get more troubles further ahead. Really much like a big challenge, and it is also for me. But so go with the fabric, try to like tuck it in there. I hope with this recording where you can see how to work with the fabric is beneficial for you. That's the plan anyway, so have fun. And I hope you end up with a similar result as I did here. So the next clip to watch, the finish of the sleeves.